Hi, welcome back to Fort Lewis. Today was kind of a disappointing day in the garden. I came home for lunch and the squash vine borers had decimated my patty pan squash, and I really just need some gardening good news. So I think I'm gonna empty out a couple of these potato sacks and see what we've got. They are starting to yellow a little bit, not completely, but I have a feeling that I've got a nice little harvest. Each bag has about 4 to 5 little potato seedlings in it, and I'm hoping to get about 25 potatoes out of each bag. So we're gonna pull one and see what happens. This is the first year I've done potatoes in these grow bags. I'm out of space in the garden, so I thought I would give it a shot. They're nice because they don't hold a lot of extra water, and it looks like it's pretty successful. These are cute little tiny purple potatoes. Perhaps if I had let it go a little bit longer, they'd be bigger, but these are so delicious. Nice little potato. Oh, there's another one. This is a mix of red and purple potatoes. Oh man. My husband warned me that I may be jumping the gun on this, and he might have been right, because they're kind of small. There's not that many. The other bags may have to wait. But still, getting some good ones. These itty bitty little potatoes, you can take those and save them and use them as starters for your next round. But what I want to do is put okra in these grow bags. That's pretty. Well, look at that big old mamma jamma. Not a crazy harvest, but not a bad harvest at all. The potatoes at the end of the row in these grow bags, their foliage got a lot bigger. So I may get the end one too, just to see what's in that one. And then let the other ones go for another week or two. But I can at least get some red okra started in these. Okay, not bad. I'd say, what, 3 pounds of potatoes from 4 little bitty ones. Pretty good. All of this can be composted. I've moved my potatoes around the last couple of years. So this year I've found potatoes sort of sprouting up voluntarily everywhere. So maybe using this bag will help keep the spread of potatoes down, although surprise potatoes are not a bad thing. Okay, that looks like it for this one. I'm gonna do one more. This bag looked a little more mature, and at one point these potatoes were blooming. So this one may be a bigger haul. Just get some of this foliage out. Oh, right off the bat, nice pretty potato. Another one. Good little potato. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. Looks like this batch is all purple too. All right, let's dump and dig. Oh, it's a sad potato. There's a good one. Another good one. Yeah, this is a nice basket. These grow bags are so easy. This is much easier than trying to find them in the ground. I'm not sure what's going on with some of these. That one looks real dark. That might have been the seedling. It just got big. But these are beautiful, so vibrant. Little stash of potatoes right there. This soil is still in great shape and it's got all these roots in it that will help act as compost and feed for the next round of veggies in here. I'll just amend it with a little fresh compost before I get the okra in. Well, that may be it. I don't know if you can see this, but it's almost iridescent purple. Okay, well, I mean, I have 4 left, as well as a patch in the garden. So I'm gonna let them go, let's say 2 more weeks, and then we'll pull everything. But I think this is a great start. And it is a nice little heavy basket. And considering the minimal effort that was put in, just dirt and, you know, a few seedlings, I think that's good. If you guys have successfully used these grow bags for potatoes and you've got any hints or tips that have worked well for you, I'd love to hear it. I think that my issue might just be impatience. But anyway, so thanks for following along. I appreciate it. If you'd like to see more gardening activity and what comes out of the bags in about 2 weeks' time, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell for notifications. And we'll see you guys again real soon at Fort Lewis.